Hi guys, I am Dr. Joy Shab and I welcome you all in the class of pathology. As I promised, we'll be very quickly discussing about schistocytes. It will be a very brief review, but a very basic knowledge about schistocyte. So first thing first, schistocytes are also known as schizocyte. So there are two words which we use for them, either a schistocyte or a schizocyte, both means the same. Now, before going into the details of this schistocyte and schizocytes, they have their origin from the Greek word. So it is actually a Greek word. This was given by Paul Ehrlich. He got a Nobel Prize for this, but he described all these, and it was given in 1891, and he actually described all the poikilocyte as schistocyte. So it was not just particular types of RBCs which he called as schistocyte, but all the poikilocyte. Over the time, this definition is refined now. It is not all the poikilocytes are called as schistocyte. Now, this word actually means, so if we broke this word into two parts, schistio means broken. So in Greek, this means broken or clefted. Anything which is broken or clefted, and site we all know it is used for the cell. So we'll be coming this image as you are able to see. There's this image. We'll be talking about this later on. Now, schistio and schizo, they are the synonyms of each other, and they have the similar meaning of broken or clefted. Now we have this system in the hematology which defines everything, every criteria, so that a standard procedure is followed, or a standard principle is followed when we are talking about a particular cell. So this guidelines are called as ICSH. So it is the International Council of Standardization in Hematology. So this is the International Council of Standardization in Hematology. This council has now, defined the schistocytes in a very, very simple and easy manner, so that nobody has a different definition on them and everybody will be on the same page. Now, basically, what this council says, I'll be talking about later on. But first thing first, schistocyte, as we said, it means something broken or clefted. So, broken or clefted. But the question arises, why something, or here, what is this something? Here, this something is RBC. So, why RBC will be broken or clefted? Now, the reason being, the RBC will become broken or clefted when they have some external pressure, or there is something which is called pressurizing these RBCs, some type of pressure. So if we all have some type of pressure, then we undergoes a mental breakdown. Similarly, if RBC is given some pressure, something is compressing RBCs, then RBCs are very fragile. So now this is another thing which you should know. They are very fragile. So if something is very fragile and if it is undergoes some pressure, then the RBCs will tend to break. Okay. Now, because of this, what type of pressure we are talking about? Now, this pressure could be due to mechanical valve, as in case of heart patient, or this could be because of the fibrin, as in case of microclots in the vessels, anything which is creating an hindrance. So this all will create an hindrance in the passage of RBCs. So this hindrance, now there is this vessel. Now RBCs are flowing through this. Now you have this somewhere around a clot. Now RBC will not be able to pass. When RBC will strike this clot, now this is a clot. When RBC will strike this clot, what will eventually happen? It will be broken. So it will be broken. Now what does this becomes? This becomes a schistocyte. Got it? So this is how we understand. So this was a vessel, blood vessel.